What's going on, guys? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and I'm here back with another video. I'm super excited to do this video. I've been off for a few days, but here we are with another video, and I'm super pumped up for this topic because today we're going to have a look and dive deep into the topic of how to make money online, and we're going to have a look at 4 different legit ways for you to start earning money online even today. So let's get to it. And before we dive into the topic, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the Undisputed Marketer channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, then go ahead and click that red subscribe button under this video to get notified whenever I post a new video. I strive to deliver every single day a new video regarding affiliate marketing, online business, and how to leverage the power of the internet. So without further ado, let's dive into our today's topic, and we're going to look at the 4 different legit ways how to make money online. Now, first of all, we gotta understand, that really making money online and learning the skill to make money online is possibly the best choice you could possibly do and take for your life, because really internet business is really the business of the 21st century. Is the fastest growing industry, and if you're not on the internet today, you probably don't have a business. So making money online is the greatest option and greatest opportunity that 21st century is giving us, and that helped emerge more and more different ways how to make money online, and we're going to have a look at 4 different ways of them. So without further ado, here's the number 1 way to make money online. First choice and first way how to make money online is freelancing. Now, if you don't know what a freelancing is, it's basically doing certain jobs, certain works for different people, and you get paid for it, right? So it's basically like you're an entrepreneur, and you have some kind of an offer that you do for somebody else, and they pay you for your work. Now you can either get paid by on an hourly basis, or you can get paid for the whole work. Now there are different platforms you could go online and really offer your services to different people, different entrepreneurs online, and the 2 best ones are Fiverr and Upwork. Now Fiverr is usually a little bit of cheaper place to go for, especially for entrepreneurs. It's very convenient to go for Fiverr because you can get things done for literally a $5, which is literally $5, and most of these stuff are digital products, digital services, which means creating some kind of like an ebook, typewriting, or it can be video editing, it can be doing some kind of like photos or something like that. Everything that has anything to do with digital product, everything that has to do something with computer, what can be basically sent over through the internet in a form of PDF or some other works. Now Fiverr is great for people in countries of Asia, Africa, and Asia, Africa, maybe South America, and all of that, because they can really tap into the market of big economies, just like US, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and all of that countries, because these people go over there, and what you think is a good price or high price, that is for them a cheap price. So you can very easily tap into these markets and get paid what is basically a US or European payments, right? Now the other one is Upwork, which is a little bit more professional marketplace, and basically what it is very simple to Fiverr. You can actually do loads of stuff over there. You can offer your jobs. What is different with Fiverr is that on Upwork you can actually earn even more money. It's a little bit more specialized, and more experienced people go there, and professionals. And when you go there, usually people look for somebody who is doing good job quality wise, and they are not really not that much looking at a price rather than the quality, right? So that is a great place to go for, especially if you're in countries like Europe, in the US, and you can really compete with prices over there as well. So that's the number one way, freelancing. Let's get over to the second option. Now the second option is network marketing. Now you probably think about network marketing or maybe MLM, multi-level marketing, as a business purely to face to face and contacting persons in person, right? So basically, getting in touch with them, speaking to them either on a coffee or other meetings. But the truth is that going online with network marketing will allow you to really tap into hundreds and thousands of people that are genuinely interested in whatever the business you're offering them, right? And especially due to the current situation and the whole global world and whatever the stage we are at, this option has emerged as very, very popular one, and more people are getting involved into online network marketing, and it has really thrived. So that's a definitely way to go for if you are interested in that. There are different network marketing companies you could possibly go for, and they are literally in most of the categories you could possibly think of. Most of them, or the most popular ones, are in health and fitness category, right? Different physical products, just like vitamins or supplements and all of that stuff. But there are also companies that are in the business of travel, which is a little bit at the moment restricted, but still people are very interested in traveling, and once the whole situation fades away, then it's a great path for you to hop on this running train, right? So I'm not going to recommend any of these because it really depends on your choices, on your passions, or the categories you are interested in. Just go ahead into Google and just type in network marketing companies, and just do some research on your own. You can find them also on the Facebook, in different Facebook groups which are dedicated to network marketing, and you can connect with these people, and they can give you a better insight into that. Now the third way how to earn money online is Amazon FBA. Now, a lot of people actually don't really know that with Amazon, you don't necessarily need to live in that actual country of the particular Amazon marketplace, right? Now, we all know that Amazon is a US company and US marketplace, which is Amazon.com, but there are also marketplaces in Europe, which is specifically UK, Germany, France, Spain and Italy, which is 5 of them, and then there is also Indian market and Japanese as well. I'm not sure about China, maybe as well, but these are definitely ways how to go for. And the good thing is that you don't necessarily need to live in that country. In fact, Amazon does have a list of countries that they allow people to really, create a seller account from the countries that are outside of either US or the European countries. So you don't necessarily need to live there in order to create an account. And with Amazon FBA, you don't necessarily even need to handle the goods by yourself. Most of the people, what they do with Amazon FBA is they create some kind of like a private label product, which is basically a product that you leave or let manufactured in China or other countries in Asia for the manufacturer's cost. You put your brand on it, and then you ship it directly to Amazon warehouses, and Amazon basically ships it and handles the goods on your behalf to the end customer. So you don't even need to live in that country. You don't even need to see the product you are selling in order to be successful with this. So here is basically a list of the countries that Amazon US is allowing Here is the list of all the countries that you can possibly look for. Here is the URL over here, and now here is also a list of the countries that, for example, Amazon UK is allowing people to join. So there are different ways for you to really get hold of it. If you are interested in a specific marketplace, just head over to Google and just type it inside of this. Now, so this is the number 3 Amazon FBA, and let's dive into the 4th, and that is my personally most exciting and most popular one, and it is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't necessarily know what affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's product for a certain commission. So what you essentially doing is, you don't have a product, you don't need a product. What you're doing is you are making the sales, and basically on behalf of somebody else, you're selling other people's product and you're getting a commission. Now, this commission is basically a percentage of the selling price of that particular product, and these commissions range and they depend, obviously on the actual product and the product owner. Especially, there is a difference between physical products and digital products. With physical products, you're looking somewhere around 7 to 15% of the selling price, and with digital products it can go up to 50 to 75%, which is most common, but you can go even high up to 100% of the selling price for the exact product. So this is basically affiliate marketing. It's amazing because you don't have to create any product, you don't have to hold it in your physical hands. You can literally start from scratch, from your home, from your apartment, and it's the best way how to create a passive income, recurring income, because most of the processes in affiliate marketing you are able to make them automated. You can literally make them automated, which means that you can go on your vacation, you can spend the day with your family, and you can still earn the same amount of money, because you are using the tools that are working for you as a 24/7 employees that work literally 24/7, even while you sleep, even while you're on vacation or whatever else. Now, another great thing about this is that internet and online, basically internet never sleeps. So people can literally access your offers, your promotions whenever they actually want, without you necessarily be at hand of it. You don't physically need to be in front of your computer to make sales. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this, hope you got a lot of value from it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, what is your personal favorite online business, and if you like the video, let me know, give me thumbs up. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing that we just spoke about, if you want to learn a little bit more about it, if you want to learn how does it work, if you want to get just more knowledge about this, then I highly encourage you to click the link below in the description. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series where I speak about affiliate marketing in more detail, and I give you a little bit more overview where I have more time to explain it rather than in this video. It's completely free, you get full access to it, so no strings attached. Go ahead and get full access if you are interested to do so. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.